Hey guys, in this video I am going to provide 5 useful tricks to grow your YouTube channel. With these tricks, you can easily gain 4000 hours watch time and 1000 subscribers in 15 days. Trick number 1. Write unique proper subject in title, description and tag. For example, in one of my video I wrote title name in description and tag. This will rank your video. Always make searchable content if your channel has very low subscribers. Trick number 2. Hide subscribers on the channel. You should hide subscribers on your channel. The reason is, if your channel is new and you have very less subscribers, then viewers may not subscribe your channel as the name is not popular, although you make nice content. If you don't know how to hide subscribers, video available in I button or the link in description. Trick number 3. Upload daily videos. Be consistent on your channel. Make videos daily or weekly. Set up uploading time slots so your audience can get used to with your video notification. Trick number 4. Make attractive thumbnails. You should write short subject on thumbnails as viewer sometimes doesn't read the title. You can also try clickbait if this doesn't work. Trick number 5. Make at least 15 to 20 videos before you start posting on social media, for example Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. If you have enough content on your channel, then viewers can be more engaged on your videos, so subscribers can trust and take an interest on your channel. I have done it before with these 5 tricks. You must try and let me know your experience in comment box. Thank you for watching and see you next time.